triple constrained model for 1701 Quantum KUKA Boulevard. Property name, 1701 Quantum KUKA Boulevard. Tenants, Hollow Hustle, Cloud Kelp, ByteSource Bonanza, and Sprocket Sprout Solutions. Fund synopsis. Welcome to 1701 Quantum KUKA, beloved of the zaniest corner of Silicon Valley, where innovation meets absurdity. This property is the shining HQ for the kookiest names in tech, like Hollow Hustle, Cloud Kelp, and ByteSource Bonanza, all here to crank up the fun while staying laser-focused on futuristic goals. With neon-colored walls, lounge pods, and robo-coffee kiosks, this quirky hub is built to impress. Investment goals: aim for a 9.5% cap rate by upgrading tenant quality and enhancing the unique appeal of 1701 Quantum KUKA Boulevard. Scope: define property upgrades and tenant improvements to attract high-caliber, humorously named companies. Actions: upgrade units, modernize units and common areas to a high-tech, whimsical vibe. Attract top, playfully named tenants, target financially stable, inventive tech or lifestyle companies. Outcome: enhanced tenant profile and long-term stability with offbeat, standout companies. Cost: balance upgrade costs with the goal of achieving a 9.5% cap rate. Planned investments: budget for colorful, high-tech property upgrades and quirky tenant improvement allowances for the Madry vibe aesthetic. Marketing budget: attract tenants with high credit scores or industry appeal from Sprocket Sprout Solutions to Vortex Violets. Financial constraints: align renovation costs with a target NOI of $166,250, aiming for a 9.5% cap rate based on the property's $1,750,000 valuation. Time: renovation timeline, complete within 12-18 months with phased lease transitions. Lease transitions: begin renewals or find imaginative new tenants before leases end. Summary: by balancing scope, quirky, high-quality tenant upgrades, cost, managing creative upgrades with cap rate objectives, and time-effective lease transitions, this model aligns resources to meet a 9.5% cap rate and ensure 1701 Quantum KUKA Boulevard stands out in the unique, competitive Silicon Valley real estate scene.